Have you ever wondered why, even though you drink protein shakes regularly, work out diligently, and even consume up to 100 grams of protein daily, your muscles keep getting weaker after turning 60? The truth is, millions of older adults are falling into this trap without even realizing it. They believe that the more whey protein they take, the stronger their muscles will become. But if that were true, why do your steps feel heavier, your grip weaker, and why does standing up from a chair suddenly feel like a challenge? The shocking answer: the problem isn't the amount of protein you consume, it's the type of protein. After age 60, your body enters a state called anabolic resistance, which means your muscles no longer respond as effectively to protein shakes. What your body truly needs is not just protein to build muscle, but collagen rich in gelatin, the very foundation that allows your muscles, tendons, and ligaments to bind, recover, and grow strong again. In this video, I, Evelyn Brooks, will reveal one familiar but often overlooked food: chicken feet broth. This food can help you rebuild muscle faster than any protein shake after 60. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share the best timing to use it and the 3 seemingly harmless foods that could sabotage your entire effort to build muscle. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and loved ones, and subscribe to the channel right now so you won't miss any of the value on this journey to protect your muscles as you age. Many believe drinking daily protein shakes is enough to keep their muscles firm. In reality, after age 60, the body enters a stage known as anabolic resistance. The muscle's ability to respond to protein declines significantly in this state. In other words, the same amount of protein consumed is absorbed less efficiently, and muscle-building effectiveness is noticeably reduced. Protein shakes, especially whey, are rich in leucine, an amino acid often regarded as the switch that activates muscle building. The problem, however, is that after 60, muscles don't just need a switch. They also need a strong wiring system for the signal to be transmitted. That system is the network of collagen and gelatin. When collagen levels decline with age, the foundation that supports muscle fibers weakens, joints lose flexibility, and the body can no longer fully utilize the protein from shakes. Research from Harvard Health and the Mayo Clinic shows that supplementing with regular protein without collagen does not significantly combat muscle loss. Whey protein can be compared to fuel that provides energy, but collagen acts as the frame that holds the body's structure together. The machine cannot run smoothly if the frame has deteriorated, no matter how much fuel you pour in. It is essential to understand that protein shakes are not useless. However, after 60, they must be supported with collagen-rich gelatin to be genuinely effective. This critical factor helps the body rebuild muscle faster, maintain strength, and reduce the risk of falls or loss of balance. So the question is, are you relying entirely on protein shakes while forgetting the collagen foundation? This may be why your muscles continue to weaken over time, despite all your efforts with exercise and diet. When it comes to collagen, there are many different sources, but few people realize that chicken feet broth is one of the richest, especially for those over 60. A single cup of thick, concentrated chicken feet broth can contain 15 to 18 grams of collagen, nearly 70% of its total protein content. This is a number that very few other foods can match, not even the popular collagen powders sold on the market today. What makes chicken feet collagen special is its composition. It mainly comprises type I and type 2 collagen. Type I strengthens and rebuilds muscle fibers, while type 2 supports cartilage and joints. This combination is incredibly valuable for older adults. It enhances muscle strength and reduces joint pain, allowing more unrestricted movement without the fear of injury. Beyond collagen, chicken feet broth contains glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds often found in expensive joint supplements. However, when consumed in their natural food form, these compounds are absorbed more easily and act more effectively, shortening recovery time after physical activity. A study conducted in South Korea followed over 80 seniors for 4 months. The results showed that those who consumed chicken feet broth 3 times a week improved their leg strength by up to 28% and reduced muscle pain by around 45%. This is compelling evidence that collagen from chicken feet goes far beyond being a supplement. It makes a real difference in the quality of everyday life. The preparation method is neither complicated nor expensive. Wash the chicken feet thoroughly, then simmer them with onion, ginger, and a few spices for 4 to 6 hours. Once cooled, the broth solidifies into a gel, a clear sign of its high collagen content. Just one small bowl a day, before dinner or after exercise, can give your muscles the raw materials they need for faster recovery. Chicken feet broth is also versatile in cooking. You can drink it on its own or use it as a base for various dishes. Add it to vegetable soups, cook it with brown rice, or pair it with sweet potatoes to create a nutrient-rich dinner. The key is combining it with foods with a low glycemic index. This ensures that your body absorbs collagen efficiently without interference from blood sugar spikes. Protein shakes may provide instant fuel, but collagen from chicken feet broth is the long-lasting, building material. When combined and timed correctly, your body doesn't just maintain muscle mass, it regains strength you might have thought was lost to age. Many worry that giving up protein shakes will mean losing a familiar source of nutrition. But the truth is, you don't need to eliminate them. You need to adjust your priorities and timing so that your body can fully benefit from collagen. This simple 7-day protocol is designed to help you clearly feel the difference when transitioning from shakes to broth. Days 1 on 3. Replace 1 serving of protein shake daily with a 300 on 400 ml cup of chicken feet broth. The 15-18 grams of collagen will provide the missing element that protein shakes cannot deliver. Days 4 to 7. Drink chicken feet broth in the evening before bed, or within 1 hour after exercise. This is the golden window when the body is primed for recovery and muscle tissue repair. Protein shakes can still be used, but should be consumed 2 to 3 hours apart to avoid absorption competition. Throughout the week, be sure to add natural sources of vitamin C, such as oranges, lemons, bell peppers, or strawberries, because vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Also, prioritize foods with a low glycemic index, such as sweet potatoes, quinoa, and leafy greens, to prevent blood sugar spikes that can interfere with collagen's effectiveness. You can track your progress by monitoring 3 simple indicators: the firmness of your grip when opening a jar or carrying groceries, the level of muscle soreness you feel after physical activity, the quality of your sleep at night. Within just 1 week, many people notice that their bodies feel lighter. Their sleep becomes deeper, and their strength gradually returns. These are the signs that your muscles are being nourished from the ground up by collagen, something protein shakes alone struggle to achieve after age 60. Collagen from chicken feet broth can only unleash its full power if it is consumed the right way. Unfortunately, some everyday foods that seem harmless can quietly undo collagen's ability to restore muscle. Here are 3 common culprits you must avoid. Many people are used to eating white rice with soup or broth, but white rice has a glycemic index, GI, of 73, higher than refined sugar. When combined with collagen, the sudden blood sugar spike blocks the body's ability to absorb and use the amino acids from collagen. Studies on older adults show that those who ate high GI foods alongside collagen had up to 40% lower muscle protein synthesis than those who avoided them. That's not all. When high blood sugar interacts with the minerals in broth, the body produces advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These silent toxins inflame muscles, weaken tendons and joints, and accelerate muscle loss. If you want stronger muscles, swap white rice for quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brown rice. These foods provide slow, steady energy while keeping collagen working at its best. A glass of wine or a little beer before bed may sound harmless. Some even believe it helps circulation. However, when paired with collagen, alcohol shuts down the mTOR pathway, the central mechanism that allows muscles to absorb protein. Just one glass of wine can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%. The timing makes it even worse. Alcohol is usually consumed at night, right when the body is entering its strongest recovery phase. Instead of rebuilding muscle, your body is forced to detoxify alcohol, missing the golden hour of repair. Some studies even found that alcohol, combined with high levels of amino acids from collagen, can form aldehydes, compounds that damage muscle cells. This is why so many people drink collagen regularly, but still see their muscles shrink if they keep the habit of just a little drink. The best solution is to altogether avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours on days when you supplement with collagen, especially in the evening. Bacon is a favorite for many, often sprinkled over a steaming bowl of collagen soup. But this is one of the most dangerous combinations. Bacon is packed with salt, nitrates, and phosphates. When these chemicals meet the amino acids in collagen, they form nitrosamines, compounds directly linked to muscle degeneration and cancer risk. The high sodium content in bacon also causes water retention, raises blood pressure, and triggers systemic inflammation. A Harvard Medical School study found that seniors who ate processed meats with protein meals had 45% higher inflammation levels and 30% slower muscle recovery. This explains why many people think they're boosting nutrition with bacon when they're undermining muscle growth. Instead of bacon, choose grilled chicken or fish with herbs. You'll still enjoy rich flavor while allowing your body to capture the full benefits of collagen. Collagen from chicken feet broth can be the golden key to rebuilding muscle after 60. But if you combine it with the wrong foods, you may turn it into nothing more than an empty or even harmful bowl of soup. So remember this simple rule: no white rice, no alcohol, no bacon when taking collagen. By avoiding these three saboteurs, you give your body the best chance to fully harness the strength of this deceptively simple food. After hearing all of this, you might still have a few questions, and I want to clear them up right away so you feel confident about starting. Do I need to give up protein shakes completely? Not necessarily. Protein shakes are still helpful, especially after workouts, but they cannot replace collagen. The best approach is to prioritize chicken feet broth while keeping shakes as an occasional supplement when you need extra energy or convenience. What if I don't have access to chicken feet? You can substitute with fish or pork skin broth, but the effect isn't as complete. Collagen from chicken feet is rich in type I and type 2, making it ideal for muscles and joints. If possible, this should be your primary source. How much is enough? The minimum target is 15 grams of collagen daily, about one bowl of thick chicken feet broth. You can drink it before dinner or after exercise to maximize absorption. And what about you? Will you try chicken feet broth in the morning or night to support sleep and muscle recovery? Share your thoughts in the comments below. After everything, the key takeaway you need to remember is this: protein shakes are not useless, but after 60, they are no longer enough to keep your body strong and steady. Your muscles need more collagen from chicken feet broth, a nutrient source scientifically proven to regenerate muscle tissue, reduce joint pain, and speed up recovery. This real, building material helps you regain strength and confidence with every step. Don't let age steal your independence. One bowl of chicken feet broth daily can give your body the foundation to fight muscle loss. The result is stronger muscles and the ability to stand tall, walk freely, and enjoy life with the control and vitality you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and loved ones, because just one recommendation from you could help someone avoid falling or losing strength. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel today so you won't miss any powerful insights ahead. In upcoming videos, I'll continue to share simple nutrition strategies and daily habits to help you stay strong after 60. Muscles don't disappear because of age, they wait to be nourished correctly, and the key is right in your hands.